October is here, ladies and gentlemen, the time that a lot of people are waiting for and have been waiting for. Now is the time to genuinely change your life. Q4 is about to be huge for crypto. So today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys exactly what the strategy is, my personal strategy that I'm actually following, and more importantly, coins that I'm looking to bid and get into. Now, first off, guys, right off the bat, I want to say earlier today, I actually invested about $5,000 into the stock market because for multiple reasons. One, I have a new spending rule, which if you're in the private Discord, link is down below. You guys, I made a whole separate video on my new investing/spending rule. By the way, if you're on the private Discord, link is down below. You get my instant buy and sell alerts, and I mean, hey, it's like literally free money for you guys to come to and join. You also get a bunch of video content. Okay, anyways, so there was that. And also, guys, right now is not the time to be buying more Bitcoin or ETH, right? You can still buy ETH. In fact, I did actually buy ETH a couple days ago, literally around, I want to say 4,100 or 4,300. Now, why did I buy ETH at this level? Because, guys, we already know that October is going to be insane. I am expecting new all-time highs for Ethereum. So guys, I bought a couple of full ETH coins at this around the 4,100, 4,200 mark. And I'm planning on selling all of them at $5,000. Okay. Now, I don't care if I miss out on gains. This is simply for me a way to swing trade and just capitalize on some gains with size. Okay. So think about it. If you can buy about 10 Ethereum right now, or I mean, even around the time I bought, let's just say $4,000, okay, just to keep the math simple. Let's just say you bought 10 Ethereum coins and Ethereum goes to 5,000 this month. You just made 10K for literally doing nothing. Like, we already know ETH is going to go back to 10K, or sorry, 5K, right? The all-time high for ETH was about 5K, right? We already know this. I don't know why the price is not reflecting here, but if I'm not mistaken, I mean, did we not hit 5K? Am I a retard? I could have sworn we hit 5K. Okay, no, it was 4.9K, right? More or less 5K, okay? So we already know it hit 5K before. It's definitely going to hit 5K, guys, like actually 5K flat. So with all of that being said, guys, we already know that, hey, listen, buying ETH at 4,000, 4,100 or whatever, you're basically guaranteed to make that little bit of spread. And when you go in with size, you're making real money. So what am I not buying? Okay, there's a couple of coins that I'm not buying. Me personally, guys, right now at this very moment, right, I'm not going to be buying any of the major cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm not going to be buying any of that. I am going to be looking at very solid meme coins. For example, in my video I made recently, I talked a lot about Jerry, and I said Jerry is pretty bottomed out. It's almost a guaranteed like 4x, 3x at this price point. I do think Jerry even right now is a decent bid. Projects like CC Dog as well. I did pick up a bag of CC Dog earlier on, which I believe I am up on, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not too sure when I bought the dip, but I did buy the dip. So I am expecting to make decent returns on CC Dog. But projects like this, guys, that have a solid chart that has been proven to come back from major losses, and a chart that genuinely I do think is going to continue to pump 2 to 3 to 4x, right? These type of charts I'm really enjoying, okay? The type of charts I'm not really enjoying are charts like, for example, like Broke, right? Now, Broke is a solid project, right? But we could see here, yes, it has come back from multiple losses, but we're not in an overall uptrend, okay? So when I see a chart like this, I'm not as confident to go ahead and buy as I was, maybe around here, right? Or maybe even around here, I might have been more confident to buy this thing. I mean, even around here, I would have been open to buying some of this, right? But we can see the easy downtrend here. So again, I'm not saying Broke is a bad project, but I'm saying charts like this right now, I'm staying away from, okay? Other than that, like Moto, I mean, I've talked about Moto multiple times on Twitter. This is a very easy play in my opinion. This one's doing really, really well. I wouldn't buy more Moto, but I think this is solid. Midas is something we called in the private Discord a $500,000 market cap, right? I mean, this has been consistently just printing, so this one's a solid one. Toshi is another one that, again, guys, we could see right here. I mean, I talk about Toshi so often, but this one looks like a solid one. I think this chart is getting ready to break out, and once it does happen, the gains are going to be astronomical. So I'm looking at these type of coins. Now, guys, one thing to note right now is don't top blast coins right now, okay? We're in a moment right now where, listen, people are expecting crazy gains with Bitcoin and ETH. I'm gonna be honest, during now, like especially as we're breaking new all-time highs, you're not gonna see the crazy blow off tops, but you will see a lot of the other coins. Like, for example, even BNB is doing really well, right? You're going to see coins like Aster or like Hyperliquid or like whatever, like random narratives are going to start to form as well. Coins like Pepe are probably going to have a bit of a rally, right? Remember, a lot of these coins, guys, that haven't hit all-time highs yet, they're going to rally. I mean, even the Pump token, I think, is going to do pretty well. So overall, it's looking pretty decent. Another thing I really have to emphasize, because I feel like some people, they just think about buying, they never think about selling, is take profits very, very quickly. Okay, so we're in a moment right now in time where everyone is expecting there to be crazy gains in October, right? And I agree, we are going to see great gains, but don't let your greed maybe kind of like sway you away from taking profits, guys. Always take profits. Remember, no one ever went poor from taking profits. It's the one thing that you're going to have to realize, that it's very easy to buy a coin early, right? I mean, easily achievable, but selling is where people get destroyed. So guys, take profits. Like how I said on ETH, I am 100% positive that in however many years right now, ETH will 100% hit, let's just say 7K, 6K, right? But I'm making a rule to sell at 5K, so I actually take profits and I can rotate those profits into something else. Okay, remember guys, don't get married to your bags, and especially with meme coins, guys, don't get married to your memes. Now with my watch list as well, just going over real quick, Captain BNB, Aster, I mean, even Floki, 3 BNB based coins. If I'm not mistaken, Floki started off on BNB, right? Or was it an ETH coin? It might have been, I'm pretty sure it started off on BNB. But anyways, these coins, like BNB coins, are just doing really well right now, okay? We're going to see derivatives start to do well, right? We're seeing just normal altcoins like BNB is up almost 10% today, right? Guys, this is going to be the norm for the majority of the month. Now, I do think that Bitcoin will probably make multiple new all-time highs this month, so I am getting very excited for that. Obviously, right now it's the 3rd of October, so we're gonna have to wait and see how well Bitcoin really does. But again, historically, guys, Bitcoin does amazing during October. So right now, guys, it's just a matter of waiting and finding out. But guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys want me to make more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.